Hey guys, today we're gonna show you some things you should have around your house. Some tools you should have around your house to fix little stuff. And make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. I'm Shane. This is Bryce, and this is my Uncle Roy. Just you can call him Roy.
Yep.
And if you don't survive, I'm gonna throw you into a hot tub.
Yeah, that's right. All right. So, it's a very basic tool set. Anybody know what this one is?
Yes, a saw.
That's a
Comment
saw.
down below.
How about this one?
A hammer.
Very good.
Yeah.
It's a specific type of hammer. It's a claw hammer. You can use it for a lot of different stuff. How about that?
Tape.
It's duct tape.
How about this?
What is it?
What is it? I don't know.
It's
a
called
tape measure.
Very good. That's a tape measure. How about this one?
Pliers. Pliers.
Yep, but there's two different types of pliers. See, there's that one and there's this one. Do you know what type it is?
No.
These are called channel locks. These are more just the basic pliers. Okay? What about that one?
That's a screwdriver.
They're both screwdrivers. What's the difference?
That's like a star, and this is a flathead.
Not quite a star. A star is a little different. This is called a Phillips head.
Yeah.
It has like the cross on it. If you want to look up close to the video.
And this is a flathead. Now it's time for the knife.
Does anybody know what that is?
It's a knife.
Yep, it's a utility knife. You can change the blades in it, so when they get dull, you just change the blade.
Does anybody know what this is? No.
I know what it is. Do you know what it is?
No.
No? This is called a level. You put it on something so you can tell if it's flat, if it's straight. It maybe needs to come up one side or come up the other side. You can use it to hang pictures, or if you want to build something out of wood or out of metal. Okay, you have any questions about any of these tools?
If you guys have any, comment down below.
All right.
If you guys don't comment down below, you're going to get thrown into a hot tub 2 times. He's just joking.
Also, if you're doing anything, or you're cutting anything, perhaps with your saw or with your hammer, you should wear your safety glasses.
Yup.
Safety first.
Well, you don't poop in your face. Now he's just joking. So it doesn't matter whatever color it is, you should just have them.
That's right. You should always protect your eyes.
And if you don't have those glasses, you could use sunglasses or all different kinds of glasses. Just make sure they protect your eyes.
That's right. You have any more questions?
No.
Now, how about you?
No.
No? Okay. Well, I think that's it for this episode. If you have any questions or anything you'd like to know, anything in particular you'd like me to show you or you'd like them to show you, let us know in the comments. We'll try and get it covered. Thanks.